Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Fee Rose, and you're watching Attic ICP Introduction of Taggr. What is Taggr? Well, here we are before we connect. It's open to everyone on the internet. Anyone can have a look. Everything on the site is public. One of the best things about Taggr is how transparent it is. So what is it? It's an experimental, decentralized social networking platform operating on the Internet Computer Protocol. There are several links to sign in. One is Taggr.link. So here we have the basic outline of Taggr. Right now, we're looking at the trending posts, and this is things that have gotten more likes and more responses, and they rise to the top. We can also look at best in realms. Realms are topics, so here's a realm, Taggr Dev, the golden hour. Anyone can set up a realm for 1,000 credits. Show macro. It's organized by realm. These are the realms: ICP, Time Machine, DAO. Depending on what you want to talk about or what you want to follow, you can sign up to follow a realm. This is an overview from best in realms, things that are popular right now. We could also look at all new posts. Here we have, this is the user, this is when it happened, here's the realm it was in Little Known Music, and Fugu posted 1,000 knives under the Little Known Music site. Here's Digitalscape's post, the golden hour. If you want to respond to a post, you click on the hamburger. If you're signed in, it gives you options to like. And these are the Taggr users who really like this photo. They gave it 2 stars. Okay, what else can we look at? If you want to go back up on the top or hit the Taggr. Taggr was started as an experiment by X. This was the main developer. He recently stopped developing after 3 years of pretty steady update. What you can do on Taggr is you can follow hashtag and see what's going on in that hashtag. So 25,000, that's the hashtag, and we see different things. And over here I can follow it or share it. Okay, so there's lots of ways to get around Taggr. A really good way to get to know Taggr is to have a look at the white paper. See, this outlines everything that Taggr is trying to do, how it works, what goes on. The dashboard, that's where it shows what's happening, how many users. There's currently 5,499 users signed up. In 7 days, 254 were active, and right now there's 11 online. There's this many posts, 266,000, and the comments, 1,155 plus. How many megabytes? How much ICP is in the treasury? When is the next distribution? In 149 hours. Distribution happens every Friday at 7 p.m. Greenwich Mean Time. These are the canisters. This is essentially where Taggr is stored, and you can follow by clicking and look at it on the Internet Computer dashboard. You can see everything you need. These are the stalwarts. These are people who have been on the program for a longer time. Here we can see social activity. So there was a stalwart election. Night Runner joined, Christian left from not using it, Hukari also did not use it, and so there's 109 seats vacant. On Friday, yesterday, inactive users, if you're not using the program slowly takes back credits. It looks like some of these realms are going to be leaving as well because they're not being used for more than a year. This week, they paid out 0.81881250 ICP as rewards and 15.9 ICP as revenue. The details of that, we can see who received Taggr tokens. This is all based on activity throughout 1 week. Here we can see token minting. Taggr minted 16 Taggr tokens and earned rewards. And here on Friday this last week, 16 Taggr from earned rewards. So this is people responding to your posts, people liking what you have to say and responding and interacting with you. And these are the awards for this. Realm revenue. 243 credits of realm revenue paid to active realm controllers. Shows how much was minted, the total minting report. These were the users that received it. The DAO revenue, this is weekly payout to users as rewards, and the realm revenue. So every week, all of this information is tracked and published. Anyone can look at it and see what's happening with Taggr. So Instagram is very popular, set up by Peroski. We can look at that. This is the Instagram realm, and these are things that people have posted. So it's a lot like what's everyday things, what's happening in your life, what you're eating, well, a lot like a public Instagram with the Taggr, of course, in the middle. These are credits. So the credits are what we use to post. Street art, VM, and row. So it looks like 2 people control this realm. We can look and see what's going on with the street art by clicking on the hamburger. And these are the rules if you want to join. If you're a street artist or come across street art somewhere and you have photographed it, you are warmly invited to share it with us. Only photos you have taken, original. If you know the artist's name, write it. Otherwise, you can write unknown. If you know the artist's name, then write it. Otherwise, leave it title artwork. Specifically the location where you took it, the date, and year. Describing your art or the mural that you photographed would be great, but not necessary. If the post gets kicked out by the realm owner, then you pay 10 credit. And restrictions: users without reports and positive reward balance, minimum account age 5 days. So in this realm, there's 422 posts, 138 members, controlled by VM and RO. This is what's trending in those sites, and this is what's new in those sites. These are all the realms that have been used and responded to. This is one place to look for active realms to post in. So we're back on the dashboard. Without signing in, everyone can look at all of this information. This is all of the social information that happened, and technically this is some of the things that happened. Taggr archived some posts, weekly routine finished, backup created, pending proposal. Let's see what else we have here. Proposals. Now the last proposal was January 3rd. Goodbye downvotes. As discussed, this release sunsets the downvotes as stigmatizing reaction and replaces emoji with an X, which expresses a disapproval and behaves exactly like a thumbs down without being recorded on the user level and used in any filters like notifications, comments, and realm access. Furthermore, this release contains multiple smaller bug fixes. So this was voted on and executed. You can look at the git commit. These are the users who voted for it, 67%, and no one rejected it. So you can see all the different things through the whole history of Taggr, what has been proposed. Tokens talks about distribution. So this is showing how many are circulating, a maximum of 1 million, how many people hold them, held by users. This many people hold this many tokens. Weekly revenue, 0.45. Approval threshold for voting, 66. Nakamoto coefficient, 9. Volume in the last 24 hours, 6,446. Volume 7 days, 70,003. Transaction fee, 0.1. Total fees burned, 12,270. These are the principal addresses, so the internet addresses. These are the users and how many tokens they hold. The developer and some early users have high amounts of tokens just from building the site. And you can look through how many people own and what happens, how much percent they own of Taggr. So it is a user-owned site. The developer has 15.8% share, and the next Mechaquan has 11.76. So you can see how much percent of Taggr these users own. So it's owned and governed by the users. This is a visual representation of the top 100 token holders. Now we also have realms. So this is where things are posted, and then there's description of the realms. This is sorted right now by popularity, as you can see here. Taggr Dev, all things platform development related, technical support on a best effort basis, bugs, etc. Photography realm, memes, music, macro. So these are the controllers of the realm. And now these are links. So these are links connected with Taggr. So these are all the ways you can sign on. These are where you could go to sign in, the addresses to access Taggr. Right now we're currently on Taggr links. These are price listings, CoinGecko and ICP coins. Trading sites, you can trade on any of these. So these are community maintained resources, things that users have set up to help. Welcome to Taggr, so helpful for newbies. Help realm, explanatory material by Mignetti, open chat community. Development, source code repository on GitHub, maintained by X, staging environment maintained by X. So you can go and have a look at the source code. And other distribution, this is showing us what we had already looked at, what was minted this past week, the DAO revenue this past week, and realm revenue, the realm revenues credits. So in order to post, you need credits. And the roadmap. This is a community-driven roadmap. Any user can add feature requests for 1,000 credits. All features are sorted by the voting power of the supporters. The order of features signalizes their priority as defined by DAO support. When creating a new feature request, be clear and concise. Link all previous discussions and design documents. So these are some requests that users have that they want to implement on Taggr. Currently, Taggr is not under development by the main developer X, so it would take longer to have these proposals addressed unless new developers enter the space. Taggr Fam is one of the most popular ways to get everyone's attention, and a lot of people follow this. So dialogues can happen and different things that people post about it, whereby there is a 3-year history of Taggr and all the different things that have happened. Recently, there was a video posted from someone calling some of the users on Taggr names, and people are responding through that situation. And like I said, everything is open. Everyone can see how it works. With that, that's a very brief introduction to Taggr. Next video will show how we can sign up.